on your knees.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Who sent you?
Nobody sent me. Get down on your knees!
Well, look, if it's money you want, I have $10,000 in my safe.
Give me your belt. Come on!
It's cash. You can have anything. Anything you want. What the... For God's sakes, what do you want?
I want these.
Hey, Lane. How you doing?
Hey. You owe me on the Chicago game.
You're a thief, all right?
Yeah, I'm a winner.
Yeah, where we at?
The victim was Mike Strobach.
Valley Porno King.
Yeah, Mr. Adult phone call himself. Probable cause of death, 38 slug back of the right ear.
Sounds like a mob hit.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Strobach's wrists were tied with his own belt and his shoes were gone. It's not your typical mob MO. Forensics is running a test, but we think it's Strobach's. 3 6s on the mirror, the belt, the shoes. Remind you of anything?
Tommy Warren case last year.
Yeah, case got a lot of publicity. Could be a copycat.
Maybe.
Miss Morton, this office will not have any comment until I have read the official police reports. I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir. Do you mind? I really don't like to have my picture taken. Thank you, sir. That's very kind of you.
Sorry.
This is a private office, you know.
Phil, I'm sorry. It's an occupational hazard. Sometimes I get carried away. Can we talk off the record?
Absolutely. How about those Lakers, huh?
JL, you have a reputation for being a fair man. I want to be fair, too.
All right, go on, baby.
Now, are you saying that you really don't see any similarity between the ritual killing of Mike Strobach and the murder of fight promoter Carl Regis last year?
I'm saying I have no comment.
Now, Tommy Warren was convicted on the Regis murder based on evidence developed by your investigators, and you personally prosecuted the case.
What's your point?
Well, you are running for re-election for district attorney next month. Are you at all concerned that you may have prosecuted the wrong man?
Young lady, I've said all I intend to say, off the record and on.
How about those Lakers?
Bye, Debbie.
Goodbye, JL. Thank you. Jake Stiles.
No comment.
Young lady,
Debbie,
you're going to have to leave
Lizzie,
this office.
it's okay. It's all right. Deb, no comment.
You were chief investigator of the DA's office in the Tommy
I'm
Warren
gonna do
murder
it.
case. Don't you dare, Jake.
I'm gonna...
Jake, please, do you think that you may have helped convict? Jake, please
warned
stop.
you.
In light of
I
last
warned
night's
you.
ritual killing, no,
What
please.
ritual killing?
Please.
What?
Jake,
So
you got
ticklish.
tape, please. Philly, I'm trying to do a job here. You're making it very difficult.
All right.
All right, roll tape. All right. Jake, please,
No,
would you
okay,
please stop?
I'm sorry.
All right?
Okay. All right.
Okay. Do you have anything to say about the ritual killing in Malibu last night of Michael Strobach?
No comment.
Come on.
What?
What if she's right? What if we put the wrong man away?
I'd never try a case if I didn't have evidence.
What we had on Tommy Warren, J.L., was circumstantial.
True. But it was strong enough to convince the jury that Warren was guilty.
Maybe it was you. Maybe you were strong enough to convince the jury.
What the hell does that mean?
When you went after Warren, you were on your game. Do you ever stop to think that maybe you're so damn good at what you do that you don't need all the facts?
Why so diehard about Tommy Warren, huh?
Saw the kid develop. I watched him go from Golden Gloves to the prize money. I saw him inside the ring, I saw him outside the ring. I didn't like what I saw.
Yeah, who's talking now? The boxing fan or my chief investigator?
Same guy.
The media is going to be after us on this one, let me tell you, starting with that young lady on the 6 o'clock news tonight. So you make the Strobach investigation your top priority. You got it? And if you find evidence that Tommy Warren was wrongfully convicted, I'll personally file the motion for a new trial. Is that fair enough?
Fair enough. What's with the ties? What's going on?
Oh, I'm supposed to get my picture taken for a campaign poster this afternoon.
Go with the green tie.
Green, huh?
Yeah, it's a nice color on you. And it's white enough to cover the gravy stain on your shirt.
All right, quiet, everyone. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2...
Police officials remain baffled by last night's ritualistic murder of pornography king Michael Strohbach in his Malibu condominium. According to sources close to the investigation, many aspects of Strohbach's murder bear a striking similarity to the killing last year of boxing promoter Carl Regis. At the time, the prime suspect in the Regis murder was welterweight boxing champion Tommy Warren, seen here in his final title defense fight 2 years ago with trainer Johnny Nardo and cornerman Doug McEwen. Despite the circumstantial nature of the DA's case against him, Tommy Warren was found guilty of murder in the first degree, though he and his father never ceased to insist that the real killer was still at large.
My boy is innocent. District Attorney McCabe knows he's innocent, but he'd rather get a quick conviction to close the case rather than to work to uncover the truth. End of story.
Also certain of Tommy Warren's innocence was fight promoter Arnold Levine, who financed Tommy's failed final appeal earlier this year.
Tommy Warren is the greatest welterweight in the history of the sport. And you know why? Same reason I know he didn't kill Carl. Integrity. Tommy Warren's got integrity. And in this game, integrity is something you respect.
Were the ritualized killings of Carl Regis and Michael Strohbach committed by the same person? Is Carl Regis's killer still walking the streets? And if so, doesn't that mean that the court convicted an innocent man? Earlier today, I put those questions to District Attorney J.L. McCabe.
Miss Morton, this office won't have any comment until I've read the official police report.
That report can't come too soon for Tommy Warren. This is Deborah Morton for KCDM Investigates.
Show me. All right. Yes. Good. That's it. Now the oil.
Hi. Do you play bullwhip?
No, but I could learn to do that.
It's not a game.
I see.
Bullwhip's the star of our film.
Uh-huh. Well, I'm sorry, ladies, but I'm already under contract.
Oh, too bad.
Yeah.
Bye.
Looking for something?
Janine Flint?
Right here.
Thought you were Mike Strohbach's office manager.
I am. Now. Before and after. Stretch marks.
Huh. I see. Showbiz is pretty rough, huh?
So, what are you, a cop or something? DA's office. Well, that's a laugh.
Why's that?
Strohbach spends a fortune hustling you guys around in court, and now here you are hustling to find out who topped him.
Do you know who might have done it?
In this business, you're real smart if you know nothing at all. All I know is that poor, sweet Mike is croaked, and I mourn his passing.
Poor, sweet Mike? Is that the same Mike that put you into the hospital with a black eye and a broken rib?
You two know each other?
Oh, yeah, Jeannie and I did a tape together.
What's that called? I'll go out and rent it.
In Your Dream, Styles. I did an 8-part series on phone porn for the 6 o'clock news, and I interviewed Janine.
You told me what I said was off the record.
It is. For now. Now, come on, Janine. Don't whitewash that toad Strohbach. I mean, not with this sicko killer still running around loose.
Mike had a mean streak. He liked to hit. Hard. I wasn't the only one he smacked around.
You're the only one I know of.
Any idea who'd want him dead?
Pick a name.
Let's be a little bit more specific, Janine. Or film at 11.
Did you follow me?
No.
Did you?
No, I followed the story here. We make a pretty good team, Jake. Just need a little give and take. What do you say?
Well, I'll take this. I'll give you this. You see, it worked out, right?
Hey. Jake.
Herman Scott heads up the Citizens Judicial Oversight Committee. He raised some questions I felt you should field as district attorney.
Oh, of course. I'd be happy to explain whatever I can.
Mr. McCabe, as I told the mayor, we want to know when you intend to file for a new trial in the Tommy Warren murder case.
I don't.
I think JL is trying to say that there are certain procedural questions which need to be dealt with.
No, I'm saying I don't see any grounds for a new trial.
How about that man that was killed last night? The news report says that his murder was identical to the way that Carl Regis was killed.
Well, there are certain similarities, but no decisive connection. And we've looked for that connection, Reverend Scott, believe me.
How about comparing the bullets from the two murders? I understand that the gun that killed Carl Regis was never recovered.
Yes, that's true. But the slug the medical examiner took from Strobach's body was too badly damaged for positive identification.
You're still convinced that Tommy Warren killed Carl Regis?
I am. Now, the night of the murder, Tommy Warren had a violent argument with Carl Regis in a restaurant. We have witnesses who testified that Warren threatened his life.
We all say things that we later regret, Mr. McCabe.
An hour after that argument, Tommy Warren was seen entering Regis's office. And again, we have witnesses who overheard gunshots and saw Warren run from the building. When the police arrested him, Tommy Warren had blood under his fingernails. Carl Regis's blood, Reverend.
Tommy never denied going to Regis's office. He said he found Regis shot and checked his pulse.
Which explains how he got blood on his hands? I'm afraid the jury didn't believe that story any more than I do, sir.
So you won't file for a new trial?
Not without more evidence.
Thank you for your time, Mr. McCabe. Mr. Mayor.
Thank you, sir.
JL, Tommy Warren was a hero in this town. And you and I have an election coming up. You better be right about this.
If I'm not, you'll be the first to know.
Carl was my man. He got me my first fight. He managed my career. He made me rich. Why would I want to kill him? Had to be some nutball killer.
And you think the same killer murdered Michael Strobach?
You got another idea?
Well, the DA seems to
The
think...
DA doesn't want to cop to the truth that he nailed the wrong guy. Wouldn't look good when people went out to vote.
Do you think that the district attorney's refusal to reopen your case might be politically motivated?
You got another idea?
An hour ago, I spoke to the police officer in charge of the Strobach investigation.
All I can tell you is the investigation's proceeding.
But is it true that there are no suspects?
Sorry, miss, no comment.
What about the slug taken from Mike Strobach's body? Is it true that it was too badly damaged to positively identify?
I said no comment.
That was a very non-committal Sergeant Link Connell. 2 men dead, possibly by the same hand. A third man, apparently innocent, wasting his life in prison. And the police, apparently baffled, unable to find the real killer. This is Deborah Morton for KCDM Investigates.
Thank you, Deborah. And now one other.
Hi.
Well, hi.
Who told you those 2 murders had the same MO, and how'd you know about the slug taken out of Strobach's body?
Nice to see you, too.
There weren't any reporters at his place, so how did you know?
You ever been to Gill's? It's this nice, dark bar around the corner. Nobody ever goes there. Too quiet.
Some people think it's romantic, but I think any place is romantic if you're with the right guy.
Give and take.
Uh-huh. You're gonna take me there, and I'm gonna give you the check.
Here for you, sir.
Thank you.
And a white wine for the missus.
Thank you.
Well, here is to being mistaken for somebody's wife.
And here's to being mistaken for a pretty lady's husband. No. Okay. Strobach, how do you know?
Oh, there it goes.
There goes what?
My fantasy. I was having a date.
This isn't a date.
Good. I'm too busy to date. Do you?
What, date?
Fantasize?
Yeah. I fantasize that I ask this woman a question and she answers it.
And this woman, is she a knockout?
She's gonna get knocked out, yes.
Oh, come on, Jake. I helped you at Strobach's office, right? Let's make this a two-way street. We can trade information.
Debbie, this is a murder investigation. This isn't that I'll show you mine and you show me yours. I want to know who's tipping you at Strobach.
Peter Stewart.
Oh, he owns the Golden Sands in Vegas, right?
Mm-hmm. And the two casinos in Atlantic City. Mm-hmm.
How do you know?
Oh, when you're a billionaire, you can afford to buy ears everywhere.
Why'd he tip you?
Well, I used to work for him. But, it didn't work out.
Okay, listen. I told you that I won't trade information, and I won't do that. But if...
What?
You hear of something that's about ready to break, if I can give you a head start, see what I can do.
Thanks. So, do you think that maybe when you're not busy and I'm not busy, I don't know, maybe we could actually have a date?
I'm not doing anything right now.
Me neither. Oh, is that mine?
It's mine. Saved by the bell.
Come on, left now. Okay, the jab, come on. Move inside with the jab. Get his butt. Hey, don't let him get away. The jab, come on. What are you doing?
How's the kid doing?
He's doing. Hey, I said don't roll away from
ready
me.
for the front card slot 3 weeks from Sunday.
But what you want, Mr. Levine, and what you might get could be two different things. This kid moves like he's made of cement.
What do you think, Doug? I think he's no Tommy Warren. You guys come into the office. I got some news.
Okay, hey, enough. Break it up. Hit the showers. Make sure they don't hit back.
All right, come on, fellas. Help me celebrate.
What?
My lawyer's filing the petition for Tommy's new trial tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's fast.
We're gonna hit now while the mayor's feeling the heat. In a couple of weeks, Tommy gets out of jail, and we set up the hottest title comeback since Ali took Foreman. It'll be great. Tommy.
Forget the election. You keep eating like that, you won't live long enough to make office.
Jake, when our pioneer ancestors crossed the Great Plains on the Oregon Trail, they didn't make the trip eating oat bran.
I see. Eggs and bacon made the country great, right?
Exactly. What have you got on the Strobach case?
Nothing. Not a damn thing. I don't know. Maybe there's no connection. Maybe he was killed by a copycat. I don't know.
Well, maybe I was wrong. And Carl Regis was murdered by a serial killer who's now struck again, huh? Well, I don't buy it.
There's one thing.
What?
Peter Stewart tipped Debbie Morton to Strobach's murder.
Oh, I know that man. He's one of the mayor's fundraisers, right?
I'm sure he would like to promote a Tommy Warren fight at one of his hotels, too.
How did Stewart find out about Strobach?
Pays a lot of flies to hang out on a lot of walls.
Jake, has it ever occurred to you that somebody might have killed Strobach in order to make Tommy Warren look innocent?
It's a thought, yeah.
Come on, Jake. Humor an old man, will you? Find out who's visited Warren at Chino lately.
Yep.
One of them might be Strobach's killer.
All right. Do me a favor, will you?
What?
Cut back on the bacon.
Max, how would you like to have some bacon, my boy, huh? Oh, this is wonderful. Huh? Come on, Max. Et tu, Brute, huh?
Deborah Morton said I tipped her to the Strobach murder. I thought reporters were supposed to protect their sources.
Peter, what's your interest in Tommy Warren?
Papaya juice?
No, I'm on a strict diet, thank you.
Please, sit down.
All right.
It's great stuff.
Yeah?
Just bought a processing plant in Hawaii.
Did you really?
Tommy Warren. What do you know about hotels, JL?
They charge too much for their rooms.
In Vegas and Atlantic City, the large hotels are pretty much the same. The one thing that separates one venue from another is a customer's perception of value.
Well, it's mystique, isn't it?
Exactly. I've developed something of a name in real estate, JL. The Peter Stewart Tower is synonymous with elegance.
And money.
A great deal of money. The Peter Stewart name lends mystique. My name on the Golden Sands Casino and Hotel triples a customer's perception of value.
Tommy Warren.
A championship fight at my hotel with Tommy Warren topping the card increases a customer's perception of value 100-fold.
I thought that you were just another fight fan.
I think boxing's moronic.
Yes. Peter, do you and Tommy Warren have a deal for a fight if he's released from prison?
As a matter of fact, that's why I went to see Warren last week. He turned me down, for now.
Does he have a contract with anyone else? Like perhaps Arnold Levine?
Tommy's a free agent. For all the good it does him. You said you had 2 questions.
All right. How did you manage to get the facts about Strobach's killing before I did? And why did you tell Debbie Morton?
I have my sources. And Debbie and I were quite close at one time. The moment I heard about the killing, I knew it would make an important story for her.
For her, Peter? Or for you?
Friendship, JL, it outlasts money.
We all love Tommy. I mean, Johnny Nato, Doug, Tommy and myself, family.
Yeah. Why don't you tell me what you and Tommy talked about last week when you saw him in jail?
Future, his plans after parole. I told me if you ever need me, I was there for a job. You know, I mean, as a convicted felon, you know, Tommy can't get a boxing license.
Not unless his conviction's overturned.
There's that.
If his conviction's overturned, who promotes his comeback fight, you?
Whatever Tommy wants. But if he does decide to make a comeback, that's front page news, newspapers all over the country. You know, forget Tyson and Holyfield. If Tommy Warren gets back into the ring, it's the biggest payday of all.
In light of so many similarities between the murders of Carl Regis and Michael Strobach, the apparent ritualistic nature of both killings, and the reputed involvement of organized crime, the defense petitions this court to put aside its original verdict in the case of the people of California versus Thomas Warren. Your Honor, an innocent man has suffered long enough. In the name of justice, set him free.
Mr. McCabe, how do the people respond?
Your Honor, the murder of Carl Regis and the trial of Tommy Warren were both highly publicized. The details of the killing, 3 6s written in blood on the victim's mirror, the tying of the victim's hands with his own belt, the taking of his shoes, the caliber of the weapon used. These are all facts well known to the public. Anyone could have killed Michael Strobach, and for reasons of his or her own, made it resemble the murder of Carl Regis. Anyone. Now, I am the last person on earth who would want to keep an innocent man in jail. But despite the elegant assertion of the defense, my office has yet to find one shred of evidence that proves the murders of Carl Regis and Michael Strobach were committed by the same man. And until such evidence is forthcoming, we see no justification to dismiss the court's verdict in People versus Warren.
The court agrees with the people. This motion is ill-advised and a frivolous misuse of the court's time. The petition for dismissal is denied.
Mr. McCabe, the court has refused Tommy Warren's petition for a new trial. How will that affect your search for a connection between the Regis and Strobach murders?
The investigation remains open. Therefore, I find it impossible to comment.
Why don't you tell the truth, McCabe? You don't care what happens to that man as long as my Tommy stays in jail.
Come on, Ray, this is not the way.
My Tommy is innocent. You know he's innocent.
Take it easy.
Mr. Warren. Mr. Warren! I understand your pain. The police are still looking for Michael Strobach's killer. And they'll find him. And we'll all know the truth.
McCabe, wait. I really...
Move, stick him. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Move. Inside. Yeah. Boom. All right, I'll be right there. Come on, keep him moving. 30 seconds. Let's go. Eat him up. Move. Hit him. You're not dancing.
McCune. I know I made a mistake, but it wasn't my fault.
Listen to me. Next time there won't be any mistakes. All right. Just read tomorrow's paper. Jab. Come on, dig. Whoa. Go to the mirror and do some shadow boxing. We're busy. Got a couple of these guys here who's gonna be on the Saturday night card. Where you looking? Might as well stay home, huh?
That won't take much of your time. I was checking with a few friends of yours over on the north side.
North side?
Yeah.
I don't know anybody on the north side.
Ah, I didn't know you.
Who?
Loan shark by the name of Lonnie Kidd. Say you're in there for about 200 grand. Looking for a living, 200 grand, that's about 4 or 5 years' pay before taxes, right?
I have some debts. What's that to you?
You need Tommy Warren out of jail, don't you? You need another big fight, right?
That's crazy talk.
Where were you the night Strobach was killed, do you remember?
I was here. I asked anybody, go ahead.
I'll do that. Thanks for your time.
Everything okay? Yeah. He was just fishing.
Fish?
Yeah, what's wrong with fish?
Nothing. Won't chew up your shoes. Don't need to be walked at night. Very rarely get fur balls perfect pets.
Well, not home very much. So I don't have a lot of time to take good care of a dog or a cat.
got fish. Why, you got something better than fish?
Oscar.
Oscar?
Mm-hmm.
Who's Oscar?
Oscar's my dog.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. He's loyal, he's warm and cuddly, he's always there. He's stuffed.
Okay.
So, you watch your fish float and I vacuum Oscar twice a week. Oh, we have such full lives, Jake, don't we? I mean, we work, we dream about work. We get up and go back to work. Oh.
And you love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do.
You do. You love it.
Oh, this is nice. You know,
What?
I work 24 hours a day,
Mm-hmm.
7 days a week, sometimes 8.
Sometimes, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Oof.
And I drive people crazy asking question after question. I drive myself crazy trying to get better at what I do. Be the best there ever was, ever will be. Yeah, I love it more than breathing, Jake. And I don't really know why. I can't really explain it.
You don't have to. I know exactly what you're talking about.
I know. You do.
You been reading my diary? Huh?
So, here's to being mistaken for someone who knows something about love.
Come on, man, just tell me what you want. You want coke, cash? I got it all. I got it, just tell me.
Don't answer it.
Oh.
I got it.
Hang on. Yeah, I will. Yeah. Wait.
All right. Okay, I'm on my way. Yeah.
What? What is it?
Another murder like Strobach's. It's already on the police radio. I gotta move.
I'm going with you.
No, you're not.
I'm with him.
No, you're not.
Well, what happened to the two-way street?
The street's out here. I'll be right back. Stay where you're at.
3 6s on the mirror. Wrist tied by his own belt. Apparently his shoes are gone. Everything's the same as it was before.
Except this guy was shot in the head 3 times. Who was he?
Ross Bloor.
Jeez. The feds are gonna have a field day on this one.
Yeah, it makes you wonder. Bloor's arraigned on a $10 million drug bust. He gets out on bail. 2 nights later, he's blown away.
You think there's a connection?
I don't know yet.
Well, who's the victim?
Ross Bloor.
The drug dealer?
Yeah.
We just did a big story on him just a couple of days ago.
There'll be another one today.
Hey, Jake, now you promised that you would give me a head start, huh?
All right. Bloor was shot 3 times. Forensics recovered 2 of the bullets. Link's gonna take those 2 bullets and try to match it with the bullet that killed Regis.
When will the report be ready?
Should be out of the lab by 2. If I hear anything else, I'll let you know. Will you leave me alone now?
Yes. Okay, thanks. You're sweet.
Maybe there's a mob connection. Bloor was mob. Strobach had mob distributors. I don't know.
It's almost 2 o'clock. When we get upstairs, you better call your friends at the lab, huh?
Yeah.
No, here we go.
Mr. McCabe, what is your reaction to this report?
Where the hell did you come from? What report?
Well, the police lab made a positive ID. Your ballistics experts are certain that the same gun was used to kill both Ross Bloor and Carl Regis. Now, doesn't this mean that you prosecuted the wrong man?
Hold on. Where'd you get that?
Mr. McCabe, do you still believe that Tommy Warren belongs in jail?
Young lady, I haven't even seen that report. This office has an entire case under review. I will issue a statement later this afternoon. Now, would you please, would you mind?
Mr.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's it. Go ahead. Turn that off. Turn that off. You with me? Come on, let's go.
What? Jake? Well, isn't this romantic?
Where'd you get this? Huh?
Well, I told the officer at the police lab that you said I could pick it up for you, so... Jake, I'm sorry.
I said to you I would get you the results. But you went behind my back and you used my name. What I told you was confidential police information. You knew that.
Jake, it's my job.
Your job? This is my job. I trusted you. That won't happen again.
I'm sorry. It's my fault she got that.
Is it true the same gun killed Regis and Bloor?
Looks that way, yeah.
And I'm gonna have to go to court and ask to reopen the Warren case. And if there's a new trial with this evidence in the hands of the defense, I'm gonna lose.
So, Jack, what about tonight?
I don't know. I got a couple of meetings. If I can break loose, maybe. Hank, give us one more for the road here, huh?
Mr. Wilder, I'm not so sure that's a good idea. You already had 4. Don't you think that's enough?
Say again.
Look, I'll make you a deal. Give me the keys to your car. I'll call a cab. Next round I pour for you is on the house. How's that?
These? You want my keys?
Yes, sir. That's not such a bad deal, is it?
Listen, you patronizing punk. Go straight to hell. I'm drunk enough to need a cab. I won't need a moron like you to tell me about it, all right? Cynthia, love, when I call you tonight, don't be more than 3 feet from the phone, huh? Hey. It's your lucky day. See that hotel over there? I own it. So if you want a little, prime rib dinner tonight, you just go in through the kitchen, tell them it's a comp from me. Jackson Wilder. Here's my card.
You can put that away, Mr. Wilder. All I want from you is your operator's license and your registration.
Bug off, you arrogant pineapple.
You're gonna do time for this one, pal. You're gonna eat at my hotel.
You wanna bet? You wanna bet your stinking job on that?
Good morning, Mr. Mitchell. I say, are you all right?
Yeah, me too. I'm the same way.
Hey. Derek, would you turn around, go back out, knock twice, and then when you hear me say enter, then you try again.
I need to talk to you right now.
Oh, I know what's happening. He's taking one of those assertiveness courses, aren't you? And some instructor who's making a fortune told you to barge in here and demand a raise you neither need or deserve, huh?
I don't want a raise. I want a case.
A case?
Yes, sir, for myself. Mr. McCabe, I have worked for you for 3 years. I have run errands, I have done research, taken depositions, interviewed witnesses. I picked up your laundry every Wednesday in Chinatown. But now I want a case of my own.
Well, you had one a couple of years ago, that felony thing, you remember?
It was somebody else's case. It wasn't mine. I mean, this is getting humiliating. It's embarrassing. Guys I went to law school with are already junior partners with major law firms, and I'm still...
I hereby appoint you my junior partner. Does that satisfy your need of instant gratification?
I think he's as ready as he's ever going to be.
Oh, good God, you two. I smell conspiracy here.
Well, there's no conspiracy. Everyone has to leave the nest eventually, right?
Well, if you two genii think so, why should a man with my limited knowledge and experience object? Here. Mr. Prosecutor, be my guest.
The People versus Jackson Wilder.
You got it. Drunk driving, assault on a police officer. Very simple. Open and shut.
No, it's not simple, and it's not open and shut. Jackson Wilder's a very powerful man. He owns hotels, he owns real estate, and he'll have the best damn lawyer on the island in that courtroom.
Good.
This is not a good case for him to get his feet wet with.
Well, he has friends who are junior partners. They'll help him. You'll help him. And remember this, Jake. If a man decides to step into water, he should be prepared to get wet up to his okole. That's, what is known as McCabe's Law.
Thanks, guys. I can handle this. Trust me, huh?
I trust you.
Mr. Eby?
That's me.
My name's Mitchell.
How you doing?
All right.
Would you like some coffee?
Sure.
Get Mr. Mitchell some coffee, please?
I'm from the PA's office. I was hoping you could answer some questions for me.
Sure, absolutely.
It's about an altercation you had with a man by the name of Jackson Wilder.
Look, Mr. Mitchell, I just want you to know. I'm just a bartender here, trying to make an honest living. I don't really want any trouble, okay?
Mr. Eby, I'm just trying to make a living, too.
Good.
Listen, all I need to know is if Wilder was drinking last Wednesday when he was here.
I guess he had a few, yeah.
Enough to make you want to call a cab for him?
Who told you that?
Mr. Eby, you're not the first one I've talked to.
Look, whenever I have any doubt about somebody's condition, right or wrong, I call a cab, okay?
Did he assault you?
Yeah. He pushed me.
Well, right after he pushed you, he went out and assaulted a police officer.
Sounds like Mr. Wilder to me.
This is an outrage. I already told you we cannot do business. Dragging me down here won't change my mind.
Make no mistake, Mr. Sakota. We are going to do business.
Your financial situation is disgraceful. I can't recommend you to my investors.
You're wrong, my friend.
I'll call the police.
I don't think you will. And I think you know why. Raymond's going to remind you. I suggest you pay very careful attention to what he's going to show you. And remember it when you talk to your rich friends back home.
Good morning, Mr. Mitchell. It's your big day.
Yours too, Mr. Wilder.
Well, there's a difference. I've been in court a lot of times.
Well, I think this is one trip you're going to remember.
Okay. I'll make this short. I worked very hard for a lot of years. That effort's finally given me a lifestyle I enjoy, and no snot-nosed kid is going to take it away so he can paste up a gold star.
Is that it?
For now. Why don't you run along before you wet your pants?
All rise. This court is now in session. The Honorable Ralph S. Kalila presiding.
Be seated. Who are you?
Mitchell, Your Honor, for the people.
Will counsel approach the bench, please? Aren't you Mr. McCabe's assistant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, I'm sitting here wondering why the hell he didn't assign someone with more experience.
I guess he has confidence in me, sir.
You guess? This isn't a small claims court. The defendant's here on a serious charge. He's being represented by an attorney for whom I have great respect. Now, doesn't Mr. McCabe feel that the people deserve equal representation?
With all due respect, Your Honor, he chose me. And I have every confidence for conviction.
Well, I hope so, young man, because if you blow it, you can be darn sure that McCabe's going to hear from me.
English is a forgotten language. Dictionaries are something that just gathered dust up on top shelves somewhere. No, I mean that. I'm absolutely serious. But I have got something for you that I bought about a week ago that I forgot to give you. And now you're gonna like it, baby. Here it is. It's a bone. Well, it is. Hey, listen, that's made out of rawhide. Yeah.
If you need me, I'll be down at the coroner's office. There's a couple of things on the
Leave him in autopsy. I want to check on him.
Oh, okay. Why aren't you at Derrick's trial?
He said it'd make him nervous, so I didn't go.
And he doesn't want me there either.
I don't blame him. Check on you later.
I gave him a case, didn't I?
No. Gave him a bombshell. Don't you think he knows that?
I suppose you'd be happy if I assigned him to a shoplifting case or a grand theft motor scooter, huh? Remember something, Jake. The greater the risk, the greater the reward. My first case was a felony manslaughter.
Did you win?
That's beside the point. Oh. Yeah, that's my boy. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Eby. Now, I'd like you to tell me how you would characterize Mr. Wilder's behavior.
I'd say it was pretty normal.
You mean normal for someone who has just guzzled 3 martinis?
No, sir. I served a lady he was with a couple of Mai Tais, but Mr. Wilder was drinking seltzer water.
I beg your pardon?
That's all he ever drinks in the afternoon.
Then I suppose you were lying when you told me that he was so drunk you thought he shouldn't drive his car?
How can you get drunk on seltzer?
And that when you tried to take his keys, he shoved you onto the floor and damn near broke your neck?
I never said that.
You said it. Mr. Eby, when I talked to you, you said it. And now you are sitting here under oath and lying right in my face?
Objection, Your Honor. He is badgering the witness.
Mr. Mitchell, you better get control of yourself. If you want to impeach this witness, don't hit him over the head with a hammer. Bring in someone else's testimony.
Your Honor, there was no one else present when I interviewed this witness. I don't have any other testimony.
Then that's your mistake, isn't it? So get off this line of questioning and go to something else.
I have no more questions.
Now, officer, let me get straight to the point. Have any complaints ever been filed against you during your tenure as a police officer?
Objection, Your Honor. The officer is not on trial here.
Lay your foundation, Mr. Eastman.
I'm merely trying to show a pattern of conduct, Your Honor.
I'll allow it. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer Highpooley, would you kindly answer the question?
Everybody gets complaints. You can't do your job without getting complaints.
That certainly must be true. Because according to official department records, you have had at least 5. 3 for abusive language and 2 for excessive force.
They weren't all sustained.
Isn't that true, Officer Highpooley? Isn't that a fact?
Yeah,
I don't think the jury heard you.
I guess so.
I beg your pardon. Once more.
I guess it is.
Thank you.
Hang on 1 second. I'll be right there. Hang on. Hang on. Don't go away. Here I come.
Do you always use that sugary tone when somebody knocks on your door after dark?
What are you doing here?
The question is, what died in here?
Nothing died in here. I'm cooking pasta primavera.
Oh, well, in that case, I was joking about...
You're not invited. I have a date coming over.
Gee, thanks for the hospitality.
What
What can I do for you?
Well, actually, I was just driving around. I thought I'd drop in and see how you were, that's all.
Uh-huh. You know, if you really want to find out how Derek's doing, why don't you drop in on his place and ask him?
Well, damn it, have you or have you not talked to him?
Yeah, it's not pretty. Judge Colella took one look at him and figured he had a whipping boy.
Somebody should have stoned that old vulture to death a long time ago.
That's not the worst of it. You know the bartender?
Yeah.
Bartender gets on the stand and lies through his teeth. You know, I don't know why you're being so damn stubborn. What's wrong with you? Kid needs help, so why don't you help him? I don't understand.
Look, the worst thing I could do is to spoon-feed Derek in front of the whole world. He started alone. He's gonna finish alone, sink or swim. I am not going near that courtroom. I'd love to have someone on my team who had a little compassion for his fellow man. Wouldn't that be nice?
To sum up, Mr. Wilder, the officer shoved you against your car with enough force to give you abrasions and contusions, yes?
That's correct.
And isn't it true that he shoved you down? He made inflammatory remarks that you could afford such an expensive automobile.
Yes, he did.
He handcuffed you. He kicked you several times. And then he took you in.
I couldn't believe a police officer would act like this.
Now, you did not begin this altercation.
No, sir. I'm not a violent man.
Thank you, Mr. Wilder, for your candid testimony. Your witness.
Mr. Wilder, I just heard you say that you're not a violent man.
That's what I said.
Well, about 20 minutes before you punched Officer Haipule, isn't it true that you knocked down the bartender at the Keikoa Country Club?
Objection, Your Honor. Inadmissible under Rule 404.
Your Honor, the defendant opened the door by testifying that he is not a violent man.
Objection sustained.
Mr. Wilder, you tell us that you're not a violent man. But isn't it true? Isn't it true, Mr. Wilder, that 3 years ago on Maui you were convicted for brandishing a dangerous weapon?
Counsel, are you deaf? I just ruled this type of evidence inadmissible.
Judge Colella, I am only trying to establish a pattern of violent behavior on the part of the defendant.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, it's prosecutorial misconduct. And I'm going to dismiss this case with prejudice.
Look, if it had been my fault, if I hadn't given it 100%, I would be the first to admit it. But I ended up with a lying witness and a judge who hated me on sight.
The world is full of lousy witnesses and obnoxious judges.
There were no legitimate grounds for a mistrial, none.
Oh, there were grounds, Derek. Whether Judge Colella should have done it is a little questionable, but the fact is, after he ruled the first time, you should have approached the bench with an offer of proof.
I guess I got a little flustered.
You want to hear McCabe's remedy? A week at the law library, studying your eyes out. Impeachments and offers of proof, forwards and backwards, backwards and forwards.
What about the rest of my work?
You can do that, too.
Sergeant Darkowski.
What?
Sergeant Dalkowski used to be my drill instructor. Until now, I thought he was the hardest man I know.
You think I'm being too tough on him?
Sure do.
Let me tell you something, Jake. I chose Derek Mitchell for my assistant because I thought he had more potential than any young person I've met in years. But I want him to realize that he has to work for every damn thing he gets in life. There are no free rides because his father's a governor and he comes from a wealthy family.
Does he ever ask you for a free ride?
No. But sometimes he tends to slide across the surface. And I want him to dig. I want him to dig until his knuckles bleed.
My opinion's worth anything. I bet that bartender got paid to lie. I'll bet you a steak dinner I can nail him on perjury and get the SOB that bribed him to.
Mr. McCabe.
Yes?
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. McCabe, but there's someone to see you, and she says it's urgent.
Morning, sir. We don't open till noon.
I think you and I should talk. All right?
What's this all about?
It's about a friend of mine. Put him in a trick bag.
I don't quite understand.
You hung him out to dry. You understand that?
You think I lied?
Yeah, I think you lied.
I didn't lie.
No?
Your friend just screwed things up, that's it.
You listen to me. A couple nights ago, I'm having some drinks with some friends of mine. HPD vice cops. You know what they told me about you? They told me that you've been stitching on some local bookies. It's very dumb. You know why? They find out, they're gonna come find you and break your back. It's funny.
You're a real sweetheart, aren't you?
Yeah, well, I try.
Try.
Now, won't you tell me how much Wilder paid you to lie?
Look, I can't help you, you know that.
All right.
Who are you calling, your wife?
You're funny, too, huh? Call my bookie, if you don't mind, do you?
Look, hang up the phone. What do I gotta do?
You're gonna do something for me that you do very well.
What's that?
You're gonna lie.
Here you go. What'll it be, Mr. Wilder, the usual?
Yeah, make it a double. See that guy over there? The Howley. Who is he?
A big tipper, that's who he is. I hear he's a money guy from L.A. Been coming here all week for lunch. One day it's the Canadians, next it's boys from the Rising Sun.
What's his name?
And we'll take a look. There's an article on him in today's business section. His name's Gary Sherman.
Looks like someone I should get to know.
I thought you were supposed to be at the law library.
I'm on my lunch break.
I know why you're here, and I am not going to allow it, Derek.
Judge Kalila blindsided me. The more I think about it, the madder I get. I am not going to let him get away with this.
You don't take on an old, powerful, and bitter judge unless you want teeth marks all over your hide.
I cannot just sit back and do nothing.
Well, you are going to do something. You're going to go study at the law library. So next time you're in court, even if the roof's caving in, you won't get flustered.
Thanks, Mr. McCabe. Thanks a lot for your support.
You're welcome, Derek.
43 floors, huh? Pretty ambitious undertaking.
Well, we're having some problems with the skylight, but it's gonna happen.
See this? This is what I was saying to you. See the rust? You've probably got this on these pipes from here all the way down to the ground.
You're in paradise. Everything rusts here.
And in Miami, and in Los Angeles, and in Hong Kong. You get rust if you let it sit too long. See, this is no good.
Oh, come on, man. I got 2 other hotels for collateral, each worth $100 million.
You barred to the hilt on those. I also know that they're about 40% vacant.
Let me be blunt, Gary. Can I call you Gary?
Sure.
I'm a good person to know. I can get you anything you want on this island. And I also happen to be a damn good risk.
Jackson, I'm not saying you're not a good risk. What I am saying is that right now, I've got a couple of situations that are a lot healthier than yours. That's all.
Oh, well, then I take it you'll be hanging around for a while.
Probably till Sunday, yeah.
Did you say your family was with you?
No, they couldn't make it this
Well,
time.
how about letting me buy you dinner tonight, huh? Come on, just to say aloha?
Free meal, how can I refuse? You bet.
All right.
Hi, Ralph.
Jason.
Can you spare me about 5 minutes?
Well, I've got a lunch.
Oh, well, I'll make it fast. I just wanted to thank you.
Well, for what?
For pinning young Derek Mitchell's ears back.
I'm afraid I don't understand.
Oh, the boy has a lot of potential. I saw that in him right away, but he's got a lot to learn before he becomes a competent lawyer. Now, it's good to remind him of that every once in a while.
Yes, I know what you mean, Jason.
Huh.
Young people today are different than we were. They expect everything to be handed to them. They don't want to do a damn bit of work. Well, I've got to run.
Yeah. Ralph? I just couldn't help noticing that, well, you look like you're under some kind of stress.
I'm fine, Jason, really.
What about the family?
Everything's fine. Believe me.
Oh, well, good. Good, Ralph. That's good. Why is it that you seem so totally unable to do one simple thing that I ask you to do?
I have already been to the law library. Impeachment. The classic cases, it's all here. Winfield versus McFarland and Carter versus the Pennsylvania Railroad.
And all of it, it's all on those things?
Every word of testimony. I can print out only the sites I need. The miracle of modern technology.
Whatever happened to books?
Mr. Sherman?
Yes.
Mr. Wilder's been delayed. He's putting together some facts and figures. My name's Cynthia Davis. He asked me to keep you company. I hope that's all right.
That's fine. That's fine. Would you like a drink or something?
Well, you haven't ordered yet, have you?
No, I was waiting for Mr. Wilder.
Oh, then I've got a better idea. Jack says you have very good knowledge of building procedures.
Oh. I'm flattered. Thank you.
Well, don't be. He hates your guts.
Oh. Well, that's what happens in the dirty world of business.
Doesn't have anything to do with business. He hates you because you're better looking. Men are more vain than women.
Let's make a toast. Let's toast. Here's to you. So.
Do you have any idea why I brought you here?
I could take a wild stab.
I'll bet you could.
I'm a married man.
Well, does your wife look anything like this?
Not even close.
That's what I figured. Stand up.
If Wilder hates me so much, why is he having you do this?
I'm having you do this. All he wanted was me to entertain you for a while, and I chose the method.
Great choice. Very good choice. I guess this is what they mean by aloha.
Stick around. You might even get the flowers.
Miss Davis? Miss Davis, it's Derek Mitchell. I have to speak to you. Let's not play games, Miss Davis. I know you're in there. Let me in.
Yes?
Oh, my God. Huh?
Who is this guy?
I don't know. I've never
Who's he,
seen
your
him before.
boyfriend?
No.
Close the door. Just close the door. Get inside. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's all right.
Dick, what did you hit me? What's going on in
You
there?
gave me no choice. Listen, you're blowing my cover. You gotta get the hell out of here, okay?
I think you broke my nose.
I didn't break your nose. I can't talk now. Get out of here. I'll talk to you about it later. Go. You all right?
If you can.
Hey,
This is not... I gotta get out of here. I'm dying.
come on now, where were you?
No, don't. No. I want...
Come on, you're not gonna let that little jerk spoil our evening, are you?
What? No, there's no evening.
Come on.
Don't. The evening is over. Listen, don't take it personally, but I got a wife and I got a kid, and that's where I should be right now.
Look, I won't tell if you don't tell.
That's good. Nobody tells. Nobody tells. I have to go.
Come on.
It's been interesting.
Fine. Go back to your wife. You probably couldn't handle what I've got anyway, you sorry little mama's boy.
Mr. Wilder wants to see you. Now.
Mr. Sherman, I hope my arranging this little meeting hasn't inconvenienced you.
Get the feeling I don't have much of a choice.
Accept my apologies for standing you up for dinner. I hope you were suitably entertained. Huh?
Thought it was interesting while it lasted.
I know it's a little late now, but why don't you join me for dinner? Come on. They serve the best sushi in Honolulu.
No, you're right. It is late, and quite frankly, I'm a little too busy, so if you'll excuse me.
Well, this is a special meeting of the board of directors, Gary. All in favor of a revised financial report, say aye.
Aye.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is Raymond. It's my video technician. He's going to help us out with the late show.
What's going on?
And now, ladies and gentlemen, Pleasant Island Memories brings you the adventures of Gary Sherman.
I chose the method.
Great choice.
I didn't do anything. Some guy came in and I left after this.
Oh, you think any wife in the world would believe that, let alone yours?
So, listen up. You arrogant little punk. I need a credit line for $2 million, and you're gonna give it to me.
I wouldn't give you a credit line for $200.
Then I send copies of this tape to your wife, your daughter, your mother and father, if they're still alive, and every other important person you know.
Blackmail. We've come down to that now.
Well, times are hard, Kier.
Love to stay around and talk, boys. But you two are going downtown for a photo session of your own. Cuff him and get him out of here.
Yes, sir. All right, let's go.
I don't like being sent for. If I didn't have business in this part of town, I would not have come.
Well, I'm glad it worked out for you, Ralph. You saved me the trouble of sending a deputy.
What are you talking about?
That. Your wife brought it to me.
Marion.
She knows about you and that call girl, Cynthia Davis. Marion said you'd been coming home late, smelling like booze and French perfume. She began monitoring your phone calls. She heard Jackson Wilder make threats, and she found the tape hidden in his study. And even though it's almost impossible for me to fathom, she was actually worried about you.
If you're hinting at any wrongdoing, forget it. I paid Wilder for that tape. That's all there is to it.
You also let him out of a felony assault on very debatable legal grounds. It was just as bad. You made a promising young lawyer think he picked the wrong profession.
I don't know what happened to me. 20 years on the bench. I'm not a bad man.
Now, forgive me. I didn't mean to laugh. I just wondered how many times you'd heard that line when you were sitting on the bench.
I figured you'd be calling me in when I heard you'd arrested Wilder. The only surprise is that it was Mary that it came from.
Your resignation?
If I resigned, I hoped you wouldn't be taking me before the bar.
I wish it were that easy, Ralph. I really do.
Went to the doctor the other day. Thought I had the Taiwan flu. I filled out the forms and I tried not to breathe the air in the waiting room. There was women, children, and old folks too. Some were sneezing, choking, and turning blue. About an hour later, they called my name and said, "Son, what's
He should be ashamed of himself. Look at the way he's wiggling.
Oh, that's all right. Look, it's the first time he's relaxed since the trial. Let's get something going. Honey?
And said, tell me just where does it hurt? I said, I lost my job, my wife and girlfriend too. I'm so down in the dumps, I don't know what to do. Said, forget the doctor, got a cure for you. There ain't nothing that a little good loving won't do. You got the blues, the 24-hour blues. You got the blues. You got the blues, the 24-hour blues. You got the blues. Yeah. No need to call my next of kin. Don't need no doctor when the nurse is in. Got nothing to lose but the 24-hour blues.
Dear on me, that was great.
Don't even start. Don't even start. The reason I'm not at the law library is because I am sick and tired of the law library. I'll tell you something else, Mr. McCabe. I wanted to major in music. My father wanted me to be an attorney. Guess which one was right?
You were both wrong.
Come on, you gotta admit, he's got a great voice. You did a great job, man. That was excellent.
Not a great voice. He's got a good voice. Look, it's not that you couldn't be a good musician. It's just that I think that you're going to be a brilliant lawyer. In fact, I'm assigning you another case.
Really? What?
The People versus Kalukami.
What are you doing? You can't do that. That's a felony manslaughter. He's gonna get killed.
I thought I told you that's how I got started. My first case was a felony manslaughter.
You mean I'm going to be following in the tradition of Jason Lochinvar McCabe?
Ask him who won that case.
Did you win?
Not exactly, but that's not...
Under the wires where the city hums low, whispers of secrets only shadows know. Flickering lights paint the walls in gold. A story untold, a future unfolds. Neon dreams call my name through the haze. Lost in the rhythm of the endless maze. Echoes of silence, a code to decode, a dance in the dark, a path yet to be shown.
I have the Scanlon depositions for you, Mr. Bruce.
Great. Please can you close the door? He phoned again. I can't work, I can't sleep.
She was only 15, Donovan.
I'm not gonna let one mistake ruin my entire life.
I understand. The others won't. Think of your clients. Think of the senior partners.
I don't care anymore. I really don't.
He's got the negatives. There's nothing you can do.
Maybe I should call the police.
You'll be ruined.
What can I do? He's bleeding me dry.
What would happen if I told you I could take care of this blackmailer? Just make him go away.
I'd give you anything you want.
Don't worry about him anymore. I'll take care of him.
What are you gonna do?
Kill him.
looking at, bitch?
You want to earn $100?
I'm gonna have to be at your place. The maid is cleaning mine.
I'm playing a joke on my friend. You interested?
What do I gotta do?
Put it on.
What do you think? Suit me?
Take your clothes off. Put these on. When you're done, get in the car. Slide over. All you have to do is go to this address.
What do I do when I get there?
Say surprise. Easy. Surprise.
Well,
boom. Oh, you should have been there.
you are my little crocodile. I know we could have gotten more money out of that son of a bitch.
We got our money. We're getting out. And now, you disappear. I've never done it with a dead man before.
Paternity suit?
Her attorney came by while you were in court.
That's outrageous.
Yes, sir. Kind of funny.
Oh, yeah? Well, you wouldn't think it was so damn funny if somebody slapped a paternity suit on you.
No, sir, I guess I wouldn't.
What proof does she have?
2 eyewitnesses.
Eyewitnesses? Oh, my God.
Doesn't look good, I'm afraid. I think I'd settle out of court if I were you.
Settle? For what?
You know, provide support for the offspring, punitive damages to cover the mental anguish.
Whose mental anguish?
The mother, Contessa Vanessa of York.
I am not very proud of you, Max. Max! Do you hear me? Shame on you. Derek, pull over. Yes, that's it. Now get out.
Hey, listen, I was
Get
only,
out.
I was only
That
kidding.
man in the gray jacket going that way. Now, damn it, now. Gray jacket. Hurry. I saw him.
I know you saw someone, but you're telling me that you saw a dead man.
No, I saw Jack Carpentier alive. You wouldn't know him, Jake. You were on that extradition case in Mexico when it happened.
Well, who is this guy if it is him?
Jack Carpentier was a PI who was killed by a car bomb 5 years ago.
So we thought. The corpse was disfigured. The coroner took what was left and added 2 + 2, you know.
Right. Well, who killed him if he was killed?
They never found out. Case is still open.
I see. If 2 + 2 doesn't equal Jack Carpentier, then why does the guy turn up alive and well after 5 years?
You find out when you find him. Crack open the Carpentier files. I want to know everything, Jake.
Absolutely. I'm on my way.
Right.
I got it.
Mitchell,
Yes, sir.
run a check on her while you're at it. I want to know her history, her habits, what her neighbors think about her.
Her?
Contessa Vanessa of York, of course.
Okay.
McCabe's name is not to be sullied without a fight, young man. And to think that I trusted you.
What'd you shoot?
They both beat me.
I probably cheated. Let me see your scorecard.
All right, gentlemen, how's business today? What do you got there? Let me see that. $80. You guys, miniature golf's gone up since I was a kid, you know?
Well, the scorecard was in my pocket. My money must have got tangled
Yeah,
up.
it must have. Why don't you take a walk, all right? Come on.
Boys, let's go. Now. Let's go. We're going home.
Fourth race, Santa Anita. Four-legged dream, 60 to win, 20 to place. Unbelievable.
I don't know anything about that.
I'm sure you don't. What's your name?
Name's Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie the bookie, huh? Your dad a poet, Cookie?
You gonna bust me?
That's entirely up to you. See this man? This man's name is Jack Carpentier. He's a big player. I know he's placed a lot of bets through you. I want to know if you've seen him around lately.
This guy's been dead for years.
Really?
Got himself blowed up in a car. Stiffed me for $1,200 on the college hoops.
Uh-huh.
And got himself stiffed.
That's all you know, huh? You sure about that?
I lied to a cop?
I hope not, because that's going to cost you 3 to 5. You follow me? You've seen him or not?
Told you, I haven't seen him. But I'll tell you this. You're the second guy that came around today looking for him.
Hello, Mrs. Bruce. You might remember me. I'm J.L. McCabe, the district attorney.
Oh, of course. I met you at my husband's law firm.
Right.
That was some time ago.
Yes, 5 years to be exact. You were the office manager, I believe.
Good memory, I was. But then I married one of the bosses.
Ah.
Not a bad career move, all things considered.
Absolutely not.
The senator's still at the Capitol building. He's not due home till tonight.
Yes, I called his office. But I'd really like to speak to you.
Regarding?
Jack Carpentier.
Would you like to come in? I don't believe I know the man. Please sit down. Make yourself comfortable.
Well, you hired him, I believe, didn't you? For your husband's law firm. He was a private investigator.
Oh, yes, he was the one who was killed in that explosion.
That's the man.
Well, then he's dead, Mr. McCabe. What is there to talk about?
I don't think he's dead, Mrs. Bruce. I think I saw him today. Ah, you reacted just like I did.
I don't believe in ghosts, Mr. McCabe.
Neither do I. I was hoping that you could fill in some of the blank spots for me. Can you think of any reason why he would want people to think he was dead?
We used him for divorce cases, mostly. A man who photographs wayward husbands and wives in compromising positions is bound to make a few enemies, don't you think?
Yeah. Yeah, I suppose so. Well, if you see him, please let me know, huh?
I really wouldn't recognize him if you walked into the room.
Oh, my goodness, look at that. I haven't seen a pack of those since I took my wife to Paris. Where do you buy French cigarettes in this country? In a tobacco shop?
I really don't know. I don't smoke. They're my husband's. He smokes like a chimney. But don't let the voters know it's bad for the image.
It is our secret. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.
You're more
Been
than
a pleasure.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
Let me get the door for you.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Hello, Mrs. Senator.
Bastard!
Ooh. I guess you're not gonna wait for me after all, sugar, huh?
I never heard from you. All those years, I never heard from you. I didn't know what I thought. I thought you were
Dead? Dead? Look, I'm dead. Look how dead I am. I'm so dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I am. You blew me up. Remember?
What do you want?
Oh. Money.
Oh, no. You got your money. You had half. You had plenty.
It's gone. I need more. Now. And you're gonna help me get it, aren't you, sugar, huh? Huh, sweetheart?
Carolyn! Carolyn!
Here I am, my darling husband. Welcome home.
Where you been? I've been calling you all day.
Shopping. Out. Errands. What's the matter? You seem upset.
Yes, I am. No, I got a call today from the district attorney. Well, actually, my secretary did. I'm not gonna believe this. He wanted information on Jack Carpentier.
I know. Mr. McCabe came by today.
What? What did he want?
He said he saw Jack Carpentier in the street today.
It can't be.
Donovan, it's not. Be serious. He saw someone who looked like him, that's all.
Oh, my God.
Baby. Ghosts are invisible, don't you know?
The Senate, the campaign. We could lose everything. It can't be.
It's not. I told you I took care of everything, and I did. Just like I always have. Just like I always will. I love you.
Oh, God, I love you.
To the next governor.
You show yet?
Yeah, he placed a few bets. He's inside the arcade having lunch.
Hey, punk. Hey, I got a message for you from Mr. DiMaggio. Oh, you're not Dixon.
Jake Stars with the DA's office. I think we ought to drive downtown. Let's go.
His name is Guillermo Nicolorii. Billy Nickel in the profession. He's a leg breaker out of Las Vegas. Collects over the loans for Danny DiMaggio, right?
What brings you and your noble profession to our fair city, Mr. Nickel?
He was flashing a picture around town of Carpentier. Right?
Does Carpentier owe your Mr. DiMaggio some money, Billy?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm talking about the man in the photograph, Jack Carpentier.
I don't know any Jack Carpentier. This is a Ross, and you got nothing on me.
Shut up for a minute. You know Sammy Gunther? He's a scrawny little guy about half your size. He's out of his cast now. He's moving pretty well with his crutches. You did him.
Stupid little weasel. I'll break his other leg for thinking on me.
Sammy never said a word to me. It's a lucky guess on my part.
Well, now, there's a start. I'm sure you've left your delicate touch on other people around town, Billy. You should really contact a lawyer, you know? Cancel your newspaper, because you're going to be staying here for a while.
All right. Look, this guy in the picture, his name ain't Carpentier. His name is Larry Dixon.
Larry Dixon. Keep going. What else?
Dixon's got a big mouth. He'll bet on anything. Cards, dice, horses, dogs. How many fillings you got? But the talent's no match for the mouth. Anyway, he got into Mr. DiMaggio's books for 100 G's. Then skated.
So you tracked him here from Las Vegas?
Yeah, to remind him of his debt. You know, put a little hurry up in him.
Break an arm? A leg?
Nah, for 100 G's, I was gonna nail his kneecaps to the floor.
Why don't you try these on in here, Mrs. Bruce?
You know, Donna, I don't think these are right. They're all too plain. You think this would work for a campaign dinner?
Well,
I mean, I was thinking something a little more...
sinful?
borderline.
I think I have something in back. Why don't you try this on, and I'll go and get them.
I trust you.
All right.
Come on in.
Now my problems are your problems, darling.
Jack, I told you I can't get the money.
Okay. What am I gonna do with you? You still like to dance? Hmm? Now, if I don't get the money tonight, then come tomorrow morning, police are somehow gonna find out who killed that wino 5 years ago. I hope we understand one another, sugar. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Help yourself.
I suppose I got time for one more game.
Baby, your problems are over. So are mine.
I've been through the old file and I checked with forensics. The car that blew up 5 years ago was ID'd as belonging to Jack Carpentier.
Did they find anything in the car?
Yeah, Carpentier had a signet ring with his initials on it. It was on the body. What was left of the body. There was also a driver's license, car registration, some cash, some paperwork that was in the trunk, and a few other personal items.
Huh? Well, I'll be damned. That's it.
That's what?
That's what's odd about all this. I couldn't put my finger on it. It's those French cigarettes. Yeah, there's some right here, see?
I looked at the character check. He smoked that brand. 3 packs a day.
Donovan Bruce doesn't.
So what do you say?
I've been around him at state bar dinners, at campaign rallies. He never smokes. He'd leave the room. It bothered him so much.
So?
Well, so when I went to his house yesterday, there was an ashtray filled with cigarette butts. And a pack of those fancy French cigarettes right next to it.
His wife?
She said they were his.
I miss you too, sweetheart. Okay, well, I love you too. Daddy will be home soon, I promise. I have to hang up now, okay? You help Mommy with your baby sister? Bye-bye. It's my oldest, 6½.
Who are you?
My name is Billy Nichols. I prefer to be called William.
Are you with the police?
No. Not hardly.
How did you get in here?
It's one of the things I'm very good at, Mrs. Bruce. Do you mind if I call you Carolyn? I think it's friendlier. I'm looking for a man. His name is Larry Dixon. I believe you know him as Jack Carpentier.
I don't know anybody by that name. Now, you get out of here or I'm calling the police. I'd like a patrol car sent to my home immediately.
Do you really want them to know about you and Jack Carpentier, Carolyn? He told me everything. You would get drunk, light up another Francoise, and tell me about how he staged his own death.
No problem at all. My mistake.
You're smart. Why don't you come over here and have a seat? He left Las Vegas 2 days ago. Mr. DiMaggio, my supervisor, sent me to find him. Mr. DiMaggio is very unhappy with you and Mr. Carpentier.
What makes you think he'll come to me?
Carolyn, you share a secret. Who else can a dead man trust? I've got to be leaving. I have to go shopping. I always bring my daughters back a present from a business trip. I thank you for your hospitality. It's very rare in my line of work. I'll be back.
Good morning, Senator.
Hello, Mr. McCabe. How are you?
I'm just wonderful, thank you. It appears that I am neither senile nor going blind, after all.
What do you mean by that?
Jack Carpentier. Yeah, I did see him the other day.
He's alive?
Was. He was killed last night.
My God. Do you know who killed him?
Well, we're not positive yet, but we think it was a man known as Billy Nickel. He's an enforcer for a mobster out of Las Vegas. Dangerous man, this Nickel. Complete sociopath.
What was Carpentier's involvement with organized crime?
We don't know that either. But we're going to find out. Well, enjoy your day, Senator.
But what happened?
I don't know!
What do you mean you don't know? You told me you killed someone. Did you or didn't you?
Yes, I told you. I killed him. He got into the car. I don't know. I thought it was him.
Evidently it wasn't.
Do the police have any leads?
Yeah, McCabe told me about some enforcer out of Las Vegas.
Who? Did he mention any names?
I don't know. Billy something. What's the difference? Who was it you killed in the car if Carpentier got away?
You have got to believe me. I would never lie to you. I would never do anything to hurt you. I love you.
I just don't understand.
I don't either. But the thing is, I mean, what's really important, what matters is that he is dead. We know that. He can never hurt you again.
can't. I've got a lot of work to do. I have to get back to the office.
I'll bet you're a size 6. Am I right?
Right.
My wife is a size 4. Sometimes I can find a petite that fits. Other times I have to go to the junior miss department.
What do you want from me?
I have a problem, Carolyn. Jack Carpentier was killed last night.
Killed by whom?
This isn't my problem. The $100,000 is my problem. I can't go home empty-handed. I do have my professional reputation to think about, and I do not want people to think that I got sloppy and killed him.
What exactly are you saying?
Someone owes me $100,000. I'll be around till I get it. I'll bet you don't make it.
You're on. How much?
$100,000.
What?
That's what you owe me, Senator.
I owe you $100,000?
You or your wife. One of you does.
What are you talking about?
I came to get $100,000 from Jack Carpentier. He's been in and out of your house for the last couple of days, I believe. Last night, I was informed that somebody put 3 bullets in his gut. Now, I figure that somebody was either you or your wife.
Really?
Didn't she tell you that I discussed this with her?
What was your name?
Communication is the key to any successful relationship. I've always said that. My wife and I, we talk about every problem.
Whatever your name is, I'm gonna go call the police.
I would think that over, Senator. Murder in the family doesn't look good to the voters. What looks worse is a murderer running for governor. If you can't scrape together the money, I suggest you talk to your wife, Carolyn. You must have paid her an awful lot of money to be your office manager. As a matter of fact, she deposited $50,000 every month for 7 months.
I think you're crazy.
No, I'm nosy. I checked. The deposits ended the month that Carpentier dummied his death in that car explosion. We'll be in touch. I suggest you reevaluate your marriage, Senator.
So are you.
I swear. Carpentier. I don't know what went wrong.
Everything's fine now. I'll be the governor. You'll be my first lady.
I love you so much.
Donovan, this isn't the right road. I think you took a wrong turn back there. Donovan, we're late already.
Not to worry, I'm the keynote speaker. They can't even start on their chicken till after I've given my speech. I'll be right back.
Are we doing business?
As we discussed, there's $120,000 in a briefcase in the backseat of my car.
My job was to return $100,000. That amount erases my memory. The extra $20,000, well, that amount erases your wife. Tell me, do you think my daughters will like them?
I honestly don't know.
Do you have kids or don't you like them?
Look, can we get on with this, please?
I'll be taking your wallet and the watch. I'll also be taking your wife's jewelry and the car. When I'm done, I'll come back and I'll knock you out. There'll be a bump on your head. A small bump. A little blood, not much. It'll help sell their armor.
My wife?
She struggled. Most women don't give up their jewelry without a fight. That's been my experience. My wife is that way. You'll watch them for me, won't you?
So, is it over?
Oh, it's over. You bastard.
When I told her you offered me $20,000 to kill her, she offered me 30. Just business. I do have a family to think about.
Before you do anything, I'd just like you to consider the character of your new client here. She helped blackmail me. Kept half the money. That makes her a cheat. She told me she loved me, deceived me all along. That makes her a liar. Then she swore to me that she killed Carpentier.
I did kill him. Twice.
Exactly. And that makes her a murderer. Murderer, cheat, liar. What makes you think you can trust her?
Cash. $30,000 sitting in the trunk.
I'll give you 50.
You're pathetic.
Is that so? You think I believed that little act of surprise you pulled when Carpentier turned up alive?
Doesn't matter what you think anymore, Donovan. 70,000.
For God's sake! Who was in the car the night you blew it up?
Some wino. Some nobody would ever miss.
I'll give you anything you want. Just kill her.
Donovan, as your grieving widow, I'm gonna keep all your money.
No, please don't. No, please.
I've heard about enough from you two. How about you, JL?
Yeah, I've heard all I need to know, Jake.
Two should have hired a marriage counselor. Would have been a lot cheaper.
How'd you find out?
A little undercover work. I stopped by this morning posing as a potential buyer.
Yeah? Dalmatians. Damnation.
Vindication. A dog's good name restored.
Ah, you've come back.
Madam, when you defile a man's dog, you defile the man as well.
Who are you?
I just happen to be his owner and his best friend. And I'm the damn district attorney, woman.
It seems perhaps I was hasty in filing charges.
Hasty? Mrs. T-Whistle, you don't even seem to know about the birds and the bees.
Around the neighborhood, he has a reputation as a wastrel.
Well, I hear she is a hussy.
Hussy?
Yes. And your eyewitnesses are nearsighted gossips. Max, I know you'll forgive me.